guys, I am Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to share this beautiful bun hairstyle which is very easy. You can make this hairstyle for everyday basis or in party also. Just add few accessories and you're good to go. So without talking too much, let's get started.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed this hairstyle. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button. Also become part of the charming family by subscribing to this channel. I'll meet you next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.